Hi everyone, welcome to Pure Living. Today I'm going to share 10 habits of smart people. I'm sharing these habits because I think these are the really important for all and will be helpful for your success. Smart people are not a magician or not with a superpower quality person. At first they also were the simple person, but their daily smart habits and their smart choices make them highly successful in life. So how they improve themselves, that is the most important matter. Alright, let's start. Habit number 1, read more and learn continuously. Smart people are read enough on their daily life. Reading and gaining knowledge normally reflect on their working skills and thoughts. Reading books has so many positive effects in our life. It improved memory. Reading habit makes focus and concentration better. Reading books builds vocabulary and improve writing skills, reduce stress, etc. Elon Musk read up to 10 hours a day. Warren Buffett reads 5 to 6 hours a day. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Number 2, discipline and self-control. Discipline and self-control habits always keeps people to be obedient on their goal, their destination of life. Smart people always maintain discipline and self-control habits for focused on their goal. They know the value of time. They know the priorities of their goals and they like to stick on it, which keep them safe from any risk of failure. Number 3, proper diet for healthy body and mind. For any type of work or goal you are connected with, healthy body and mind are the basic requirement which need to be in your control. Remember, toxic-free mind and body means you are ready to start. Healthy body provides higher level of productivity, motivation and happiness. So that's why the smart people always like to stay with a proper diet for their physical and mental health. Ratan Tata said, eat your food as your medicine, otherwise you have to take medicines as your food. Number 4, never blame to others. Sometimes for failure or unsuccessful life, people never forget to blame to society, time, financial crisis, to their parents or family. But somehow that's not exactly true. Blaming others for failure is a negative habit which ignores to learn the real causes of failure and which stop people to next goal setting. The smart people always concentrate on self-perfection process. They know their strong determination can reach them easily to their win. Number 5, never get down by failure. Smart people know that failure is not a disaster in life. Somehow it's good and chance for another opportunity in life. Failure in some work leaves so many experiences in life that give some valuable practical knowledge. The highly successful people always takes knowledge from their last failure to be more successful in future. Number 6, will planner. Smart people are always a will planner because they know the priority of their goal. And for that, every small to smaller things need to be done perfectly. So before start, they always make their work scheduled in detail. Number 7, never stop for their small problems. Problem is a part of our life. Smart people never become confidentless and never stop for the small problems in life. They know that achieving great things is not so easy and sometimes may need to be pay small sacrifices. So thinking about the small problems is like a time-wasting habit. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was an Indian philosopher and social reformer who lived during the 19th century. He used to study under the street lamppost as he could not afford to buy a gas lamp. Number 8. Gratitude. Smart people are always with attitude of gratitude. They never forget to gratitude practice also. They express gratitude so many times in a day, which is very important and unique. Gratitude journal increase energy and positive thinking in our mind. Positive thinking is an internal work which keeps people more pure and strong on their way of success. Number 9. Choose their profession, their passion. Profession is a major part in our life. People make their profession in so many conditions, and some people stay happy in life and some people not satisfied from profession. But smart people always choose their profession, their passion, which increase their working skills and energy for their work. Full of patience and efficiency make them highly successful in life, and they can stay happy and free for their profession. Number 10. Good learner always. Smart people are the good student always. Anytime, any situations, in any age of life, and from any people, they are naturally eager to learn small to smaller knowledge. They know that knowledge are endless. So this quality makes them more perfect and satisfied for their work and help them to reach easily toward their goals. So that's the 10 habits for many more habits of the smart people. I learned these habits from my study, journal, social media and community. I hope you like these smart habits. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share your friends and others. I want to make more videos on personal growth, interpersonal skills in this channel. If you are new here and watching my first video, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for new video notifications. My name is Shamali and thank you so much for watching.